was like, don't go out.
Exactly.
If we see you, you get arrested.
Yeah, people could
I could
get
keep
arrested
driving.
if they
Yeah.
are found driving on the
Yeah, on
street.
the street.
But they left the bank this morning at 7 o'clock.
Yeah, they